Chapter 12. Land and its forms. The planet on which we live is called the Earth. The Earth is like a giant ball. The surface of the Earth is covered with land and water. The Earth is surrounded by air. Kinds of land forms. There are different forms of land on the Earth. They are plains, hills, mountains, valleys, plateaus, deserts, glaciers, etc. Plain. The flat lowlands are called plains. The plains are fertile. Most rivers flow through the plains. Plains are usually well populated because the soil and terrain are good for farming, and roads and railways are easily built between rural towns and cities. Most people live in the plains. Hill. Very high areas of land are called hills. Hills are covered with tall and big trees, grasses and shrubs. It is not easy to make fields and roads there. Small fields are made on the sides of the hill to grow some crops and fruits trees. There are only a few small towns on the hills. A small hill is called a hillock. Fact to know. The most famous hills in the world are the Loess Hills. Mountain. A very high rock is called a mountain. Often it goes up to a point. This point is called the peak. Very high mountains are covered with snow. Many rivers rise from the mountains. The roads in the mountains are narrow and winding. Fact to know. The highest mountains in the world are in Himalayas. Valley. A very deep area of land between two hills or mountains is called a valley. It is often a river flowing through it. Plateau. A flat land which rises above the surrounding area is called a plateau. Plateaus have a rocky surface. They are not fertile. Some plateaus, like the plateau of Tibet, lies between mountain ranges. Others are higher than surrounding land. Desert. A large area of land covered with sand is called a desert. It has very little water and very few plants like cactus. Glacier. A glacier is a huge mass of ice that flows slowly over land. They are found in the cold polar regions and in high mountains. The low temperature in these places enable large amounts of snow to build up and turn into ice. Island. A piece of land surrounded by water is called an island. Now you know the surface of the earth is covered with